Hey there, welcome to our HubSpot Tickets demo. I'm here to show you just how easy it is to get started. Let's dive in. First, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the CRM tab. From the menu, select Tickets, click on Create Ticket to get started. Here we are in the ticket creation form. Start by filling in the essential details. Give your ticket a descriptive title, select the ticket status, and choose the priority level. You can also assign the ticket to a contact and company. Click on Create, and you will be redirected to the Ticket Details page. Here you can see all the details of the ticket. Click on the Activity tab to check the history of the ticket. Here you can see all the recent activities. Now, let's talk about the support ticket pipeline. Here you can manage the stages your tickets go through from new to closed. You can change the grid view to list view from this option. You can drag and drop the ticket to different stages of the pipeline. Customize these stages to match your team's workflow. This helps you keep track of where each ticket stands and ensures no ticket gets overlooked. You can add new stage to the existing pipeline. Here I have created a new stage called In Progress. You can drag and drop the stage to the position you want. Once done, click on the Save button. Now navigate back to the Tickets page by clicking on the CRM menu and select Tickets from the menu. This is where you'll see all your tickets in one place. You can easily scan through to check the status, priority, and assign team member for each ticket. To find specific tickets quickly, use the search and filter options. You can filter tickets by status, priority, date, and more. Sorting is another handy feature. Click on the board options, click on Sort. You can sort tickets by various criteria such as creation date, due date, priority, or status. Need to share ticket data with your team? Click on Board Options. Use the Export feature. You can export your ticket list to a CSV file, making it easy to analyze data or create reports outside of HubSpot. And there you have it. You've successfully created a ticket and set up your support ticket pipeline in HubSpot. Keep your customer support running smoothly and efficiently. Just a second. The ticket system helps you track and manage customer issues efficiently. It ensures nothing falls through the cracks, assigns tasks to the right team members, and keeps you updated on the status. You'll resolve problems faster, keep customers happy, and maintain a clear record of interactions. Simple and effective.